Mastering prepositions. The key to perfect English sentences. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to dive into a crucial part of English grammar: prepositions. Prepositions are small words that pack a punch. They link all the other parts of a sentence together. Understanding how and when to use them will significantly improve your English reading and writing skills. Let's get started. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun, or a pronoun, to another word in the sentence. It could indicate direction, place, time, manner, or cause. Some common prepositions include on, in, at, with, by, and under. Example: the book is on the table. Here, on is a preposition that indicates the location of the book. One common usage of prepositions is to indicate place or position. Prepositions like in, on, and at are often used for this purpose. In is used for enclosed spaces or something inside something else. E.g., she is in the room. On indicates something touching the surface of something. E.g., the cat is sleeping on the bed. At is used for a specific place, location, or position. E.g., I am waiting at the bus stop. Prepositions can also indicate time. Again, in, on, and at come into play. In is used for months, years, centuries, and longer periods. E.g., we will meet in July. On is used for days and dates. E.g., his birthday is on Monday. At is used for a precise time. E.g., the train arrives at 6 p.m. Want to indicate direction? You guessed it, prepositions to the rescue. Words like to, into, through, and towards are used. To shows movement towards a place. E.g., they are going to the park. Into indicates movement inside something. E.g., she walked into the room. Through expresses movement from one side to the other. E.g., we drove through the tunnel. Towards indicates a direction in relation to a location or position. E.g., the cat ran towards the tree. And that's a wrap on prepositions, everyone. By using them effectively, you can make your sentences much more detailed and precise. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering prepositions. So, keep writing, keep speaking, and, most importantly, keep learning. We hope you found this video useful. See you next time. Note: learning prepositions can be tricky because there are many exceptions and special cases in English. This video is meant to provide a basic understanding. Keep exploring and practicing for more depth.